Okay, here is a review of this Bahco 2101D-125 side cutters, and I just made a video about this other pliers, which are Bahco 2628D-180, and I had to stop the video because of my baby was yelling at the balcony, and it's pretty cold outside, but here is the baby. He's still alive. He just woke up, and this is the size of the pliers compared to the baby. So here are 250mm long pliers, and here it is compared to the baby. Here, this is the baby and this is the pliers. Okay, let's move the baby to the baby's chair or whatever it's called. He doesn't sit yet, but he's learning. His name is Mauno, and next we will do the review of these side cutters. 1 second, I moved the baby, and I don't know where the baby's chair is. Here it is. It was behind me. Okay, time to go. That is making a review video. One second. 9. The baby is attached to the chair, so he cannot move. So I will say this as I said it in the previous video about this another pliers, that I was given these for free, but I don't have like a companionship with the company, but I got this because I contacted the Finland's Bahco import section or whatever, customer service section of Bahco's Bahco Finland, I don't know what it's called, but like the company that is part of Bahco, which is located here in Finland. It's not Finnish company, but the part of the company who runs the business here in Finland. And I've been using these. This is possible to reclose and reopen, so this looks like a... Hey, what happened? I've put my face too close to the camera, so it changes the picture from the screen to the small lens. How did this open? To the other direction maybe. Or maybe I need a screwdriver or something. Oof. Now I will ruin this plastic part. Okay, here it goes. But yeah, here you can see the material it can cut. Piano wire, 1.6mm. I don't know what this is called. In the other one, the linear plier, it's FE, or here in Finland it's FE, but this is FE plus. I don't know what it's called, but it's maybe iron or something, and 1.8mm. And this one, I don't know what it is, but CUZN, 1.8mm, and this is probably copper, 2mm. Maybe this is like copper and zinc combined, I don't know. What is it? Maybe brass, or what is the other one which looks similar? But anyways, these are the capabilities of these pliers. And I've been using these quite a lot, and when these first came, these were pretty stiff, the hinge here, the the point of the axle here were stiff, but I applied some sort of weird focus area. Maybe I can focus it closer to the camera. Here maybe. The baby is trying to take a shit. Now my wife woke up from the nap. It's weekend and it's hard to get sleep during the day. So for us, on the weekends we try to get a nap on the daytime. And the logo of the Bahco has been stamped here. Or maybe it has been already in the mold when the liquid metal has been poured. And I've been using this quite a lot and still... Hey, Mauno. And this edge is still sharp. And these cuts way better than the linear pliers. Maybe I need to purchase or ask for them a bigger... Hei, Mauno, pieni sekunti. Ihan kohta isi tulee ja auttaa sua. I make this quick from this point. And this has been treated with a plastic or something. Maybe like an industrial grade plastic dip. And the handle is good, but I applied, a couple of drops of general thin sewing machine oil, and this is like, it doesn't get better than this, the mechanism. And also it can be tightened with the Torx, it's good. And it has some black coating, and on top of the black coating it has lacquer. I don't know if I pronounce it so that you can understand, but the lacquer is like thin, usually see-through or slightly yellowish color that you can treat different materials. And here I have scrap wire. This is like 1.5 millimeter, and it's like a butter. It cuts so well. And it's not solid wire, it's a string wire, so, but this is like maybe 2.5, the previous one was 1.5, but same thing with this, it doesn't, but oh, it snaps so good. I need to pick up these before my wife gets out of from the shower. But this is sharp from all the areas of the blade. Yeah, it cuts like, I don't have to put too much pressure, even though these pliers are small. These are handy. You could put this in a pocket or on the tool belt or small pouch that you carry like everyday tools. And these are sharp and well machined blades, and I've been using these a lot, and these are still super sharp. And these looks like these are brand new, even though this has been used. Not in the work site, job site, but in my home projects. But I do lots of electronic projects and sewing machines and that kind of stuff, small stuff that I need these type of pliers a lot. I highly recommend these. These are so and so. I mean, these are great quality, but this cutting area, it's not the best. Everything else is top notch, but the cutting area, you need to... Okay, it cuts, but... Okay, now it cuts better than in previous video. But sometimes it feels like you need to twist a little bit. These just, it snaps right out of it. Yeah. But thank you, and I scratched my dining table already, and I have lots of these pieces and I need to clean these and take care of the baby. Yes, bye bye.